Hey guys, welcome back to my page once again, and I welcome you all to 2025. I quickly want to say something. I got an email, people asking me that they want to transition into tech this year, but before I say something about that, I really wanted to have a little bit of knowledge of what you want to go into. If you want to go into cybersecurity, data analysis, or any of the tech website development, you need to have a little bit of knowledge. The fundamentals is very, very important. First of all, you need to know how to operate a computer. You need to know how to on and off. Do simple things like typing. Cut and paste, deleting and uninstalling softwares inside your laptop and desktops. We did all these things when we were learning computers. And also Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. These are the important, and how to surf the internet also. Then, if you're already on that, if you already know all these things, that is when you can now talk that you want to transit into tech. So if you want to go into cybersecurity, you need to know about the fundamentals. It's very, very important. The fundamentals, and in these fundamentals, the first thing is networking. You need to learn about networking. You can go to Cisco and learn CCNA course, probably 3 weeks you're done with it. Cisco Certified Network Associate is very, very important. You need to know networking, because without networking, there is no way you can protect the network. There's no way you can be a cybersecurity. You have to know what you are protecting now. So you need to know networking is very, very important. The stages there. So having done that, you also know the operating system. Mostly we are very familiar with Windows, Windows 10, Windows 11, whatever. That is what we are using in our various laptops and desktops, HP laptops and desktops. But now you want to go into cybersecurity, you need to learn other operating systems like Mac, Unix, Linux. Mac is Apple laptop, or popular Apple laptop. Linux is another OS entirely. Linux is an open source. Is open source in the way that other operating system can get a share of it, just like Android. Android is being derived from Linux, but Windows and Mac, they don't share. That is why you see only Windows Phone. It came out, it didn't last, it go. And when you go into iPhone, we all know iPhone doesn't share with anybody. It's only Apple phone, iPhone, no other OS, something like that. So, and all the things you need to do, you must do it inside Apple Store. So, but Linux is not like that. It was from Linux that we have so many other smaller operating system like Android that is in so many phones, Ubuntu, and the other ones. There are so many other ones. Debian is derived from Linux. So you need to know all these things. It's very, very important. You need to know all this operating system. Yes, because they might call you to come and check on the network, and when you get there, the laptop might not be on Windows. It might be an Apple laptop, and if you don't have a knowledge, that's where your problem start. It might be Linux, or Unix. So that is where the problem is. So you need to know all these things. And mind you, Linux is a must, because Linux is what you will mostly be using in cybersecurity. Yes, for coding, for writing a code, for checking penetrative testing, for launching virtual machines, and other things, is mostly Linux. And in this Linux, you're not going to be using GUI. GUI is like in Windows, you'll be using mouse to operate stuff, graphic user interface. You'll be seeing you can use your mouse to copy something and paste in the other side. But in Linux, there's nothing like that. Yes, you'll be using what we call command line. So that command line, you'll only be needing mostly keyboards. You write a command, it will copy everything, it will delete everything, it will install everything just with a command. It's not about using your mouse to click here and there. No. So it's a command line. You also need to learn about command line. This is very, very important. So I want to stop here. Tomorrow I will continue. So think very well before you say you want to go into cybersecurity or any other tech. Know if you're someone that can stay in front of computer for like 2 3, not even 2 3 hours, like 7 8 hours, and also be calm to learn things, because this is not a day journey, this is not a month journey, this is not a year journey. It has to be years, and subsequent you can get there. So we continue tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. If this is the first time you see my page, please make sure you click subscribe so that you can follow subsequently. Thank you.